today we're gonna be seeing what we can catch in this trap in the middle of a snowstorm, right beside the river, with some dog food. So, this trap might work, it might not. It's 50 years old and rusted out of hell. But we're gonna try it. If it don't, there's like this shit looking around. Okay, I got the trap set now. We just gotta try to put the dog food in there without it going back off. I think we'll go back off. I know we will. Just I gotta lift it up and put the thing back there and that go. I usually just fill it up with dog food all the way. Like that. That's enough. Then we're gonna set it back. It's hard doing this with one hand. We're gonna set it back in there so that it don't get much snow in it. Okay guys, we got the trap set with the dog food in there. I don't know if you can see it or not, it's back there. We put some leaves over it so that the snow and shit wouldn't get in there and kind of disguise it from not being a trap. You know, animals are stupid. All right, we come back. The trap, what I got it. All the dog food's still there, so we're gonna move it to somewhere else. And all the snow's gone. One day later, and there's literally no snow nowhere. Okay, we found a new place to put the trap. We're gonna sit it under this, I don't know what you'd call this, big bush, with the dog food that's still in it, and see if we can get something under here. Okay, so we got the trap here now. Got it covered up. Dog food's still back there. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so the snow come again. My trap is set off, but there's nothing in it. So we're gonna rebait it, reset it, same place. Okay, we got the trap back set, dog food in it. We're gonna put a little bit on the outside just to kind of help. I don't know. We'll just a little bit, throw it back in there, and just stick here. Catch you guys tomorrow. Okay, it's pretty clear that we ain't gonna get nothing right here. So we're gonna move it to a whole totally different spot because we only moved it like 10 foot last time. So I'll see you guys when we get to the new spot. We just noticed the dog food is going again, so I don't even know if the trap is even working or not. Yes, it's definitely working. So I don't know what the hell's getting in it. I believe it's rats. The trap is working, so I believe it's rats getting in and eating the dog food. So we're gonna sit here up against this cliff wall and see if we do any better here. Okay, we got the trap covered up. Now we just gotta put the damn dog food in. Camera woman is not helping today for some odd reason. I don't know why. I guess she don't love us no more. I don't know if I can get this back in here now. Oh, fuck, I can't. All right, we got the dog food back in there. Hopefully this spot is better. So when we come and check it tomorrow or the day after, whenever, we are going to change the bait to something different. I always use dog food, so I don't know why the hell it's not working. But, you know, we'll change it to something different. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, we come back and took the trap. We got the Fucko dog with us. And we got a possum. So, he looks a little sad. So, we finally caught something. It took like, what, 6 days. He tried to escape his way out of the tape. He didn't get far. But, I don't know exactly what we're going to do with this dude. The dog don't know what to do with it either. Lily. I think he's scared of it. Bobby. Come here, Bobby. You don't know what. It's hissing at him. Oh, he's whining. He don't like it. Well, we're gonna take this down here and figure out something to do with it. And then we'll come back and set it back tomorrow. Oh, it's the next day, and I guess we're just gonna turn Mr. Possum loose. He's mad. He wants out. So I guess that's what we're gonna give him. What you doing? He don't even care. Oh, there you go. But it feels good to be out of there. There he goes up the tree. Stuck. How far up the tree is he gonna go? He's gonna go to the thing on top. I swear he's gonna go to the top. Probably that's as far as he's going. Oh, there's Mr. Possum. So, guess I'll see you guys in the next video.